Honeys, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. So, today I want to share with you some easy techniques and tips for achieving a perfect twist. This is perfect for beginners and also a very detailed step by step tutorial to achieve this look. And also, a little update on how my daughter's hair, her natural hair, is recovering from hair damage. So, let's get into it. So to prepare the hair, I have washed the hair, moisturized and sealed the moisture in, and then put the hair in bantu to stretch it. You know I don't use direct heat on our hair. So as you can see, the hair is all washed and moisturized so well, and it's all looking so healthy. Like I said, I was going to give a little update on this hair, okay, how my younger daughter has recovered finally from damage and setback. So just as you can see now, I am starting the protective style, and to get crispy parts we need our wax. After parting the hair, I apply the wax, okay, and then I go over the parting, and then as you can see, press down with the tail comb, and all I'm doing, I'm making the bottom hair go down and then the top hair go up, just to create that crispy and clean and pat. And now I'm just sectioning the hair. So you can see I sectioned the hair into 5 parts, and this is the hair we're going to be using, the twisted up. And this hair is very light, really light and lovely. And please choose the hair color of the added hair that matches your natural hair color to make it look more natural. This is the color 1B, if you saw it on the packaging. So as you can see as well, you saw the full length of the hair. This is the full length of the added hair. So if you don't want your twist too long, then you can actually cut it into 2. So all I'm doing now is grabbing the natural hair and attaching the extension to it, okay. And then first of all, the roots, I braid it, okay, into 3-strand braids, and then when I get to about 1 inch or 2, I do the twisting, okay. So you saw how much we've done, nice and neat, okay. And then with the twist, please make sure, okay, that you are twisting each strand of the 2 separate 2 strands before twisting the 2 strands around each other, okay. So all I'm saying is, as you can see me doing, I'm twisting one side of the twist itself, I'm twisting it around before I bring the 2 together. And this is what we have, guys. Look, all looking lovely. And then this is how the ends look, okay. This is the ends. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this ends. So again, for my crispy part, I'm just applying the wax, okay, before going over the patterns, okay, to make it more neat. And then here we go again, I'm braiding the roots, okay. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm doing it quite slow so you can see. When it comes to the twist, you want to twist each separate strands, okay. Twist it around itself first, and then you twist the 2 strands around each other, okay, so that they look neat, okay, and not frizzy, okay. And also you've tagged in the natural hair. Make sure it's not sticking out, the natural hair is not sticking out. And this is what we have, guys. Look at that. So at the front, you can see I've sectioned this little side here. We're going to cornrow it, okay. So that's what we're going to do. So we're just going to carry on with the twisting of the rest of the hair. So as I was saying, you want to make sure that you tuck in the natural hair, okay, into your twist so that the natural hair is not sticking out. Now this is the ends. So all you do at the ends, you fold, okay, the ends, and then you wrap the rest of the hair around, okay, as you can see me doing, and then you put it in between your palm and then rub it to secure the ends. Very easy, very simple. So again, I'm just gonna start with the roots, do the braids for like an inch or two, and then we do the twisting. Okay, making sure that you are tucking in your natural hair, so your natural hair is not sticking out, okay, of the braids and extension, of the twist and extension. And this is what we have. Very, very neat. And I'm just showing you the pattern. Look at that. Look at the pattern. Look at the wrists. Okay, so this is called the bricklayer effect, which gives your twist that full look. Okay, look at that. Very, very clean, all neat. So I'm just going to show you exactly how to get that bricklayer effect. So this is it. When you start a new row, as you can see, we're starting a new row. You take the middle of the previous section below, okay, below. So as you can see, the row below, okay, and then part a line in the middle, just like that, a line in the middle, okay, and that gives you that bricklayer effect. Okay, so we are on the last two rows, so I'm just going to separate this into two, okay, and then we are going to complete all of the twist, and then we will get on to the cornrows. Okay, so this is it, 2 rows we're going to. So again, you just grab your natural hair at the roots, okay, not too tight, because this hairstyle, okay, is very hairline friendly. You got to be very gentle on your ends, okay. Attach your extension, braid for like an inch or two, and then you do your twist, okay. Make sure you are following twisting each strand, okay, of the two separately before twisting the 2 strands together, okay, to give you that neat look. Also, when you have that neat look, okay, of the twist, it makes your twist last longer. So again, we're going to fold that end, as you can see, like up to like an inch or two, depends how long or short you want that end to be, okay, and then you wrap the rest of the hair around that inch, okay, or two, just like so, okay, and you will get that lovely ends. And with the bricklayer effect, parting the line in the middle with the section below as a guide will make sure the twists fall in between the ones before to give it the full look. So the twists are all done, and we're moving on to the cornrows, which I didn't include a full tutorial because I wanted to keep this video short. So just follow the pattern I have created with the cornrows and cornrow the section. And if you're not great at cornrows, then please search on YouTube for some, cornrow tutorials. So you might have not seen my younger daughter in most of our videos this year, and it's all because she suffered a hair damage when she visited the salon on one occasion when I was so busy, to do hair protective stuff myself. Since then, we have been working hard to bring her hair back to a healthy state from the brittle, breaking, and dry hair. And I think I mentioned this in the last video she featured in the damage, and how I was intending to get the hair to recover. And I have finally done it with good hair care routines and products, which are mostly homemade by myself. So let me know if you want me to do a video on these, on the things I did and product I used to bring her hair back to its healthy state, and finally growing back and getting all these inches again. Now look at the finishing look, honeys. I love it. And I want to mention, with the cornrow section, I first cornrow each section, and then I attach the extension or added hair, and then twist them together with the natural hair. Please note, the cornrows are all natural hair, no added hair. You only add the extension after the cornrows, please. And look at the completed look. Just pretty and neat, just gorgeous. I love every bit of the star. I love the ends and the layers. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video for me, please. I hope you love it and it's helpful. You've got one Christmas hairstyle idea, please try and let me know how it goes. Please share to friends and family and subscribe. Our next video is a video on hair growth, all for 2026. You don't want to miss it, honeys. For your new year hair growth resolutions, you need this video. Thank you so much again for watching, and wishing us all a Merry Christmas and a blessed and prosperous New Year 2026. Bye, honeys, and I'll see you in the next one.